So let's look at the underlying theory of Pythagoras' theorem. Let's take side A, side C, and side B to form a right angled triangle. So the relationship between each of these lines could be represented by the formula c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared, where a and b represent short sides, and c represents the longest side, which we call the hypotenuse. So let's say we didn't know a side. In this case, we'll look at the hypotenuse, which will call the longest side. So draw the same triangle again. In this case, A will become 3, and B will become 4, and C is unknown. So if we take the formula we used before, so c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared. And then if we sub the values in, 3 squared plus 4 squared, value of c squared would then become 25. Then we undo that square by taking the square root, which gives us the final value of c to be 5. So let's say we want to solve for a short side this time. So let's take the same triangle and the same formula. We need to rearrange this formula, so we take a squared from both sides, which gives us b squared is equal to c squared minus a squared, as shown. Let's say c is equal to 5, a is equal to 3. If we sub these numbers in, we'll get a value of b squared to be 16. We can undo that square by taking the square root, which gives us a final value of the short side to be 4. So let's look at the converse of Pythagoras. This is used when we want to prove a triangle is right angled. So, same idea, draw the same triangle with A, B and C. This time we know all three sides. So all we do is we need to want to prove it, so we split the formula up into c squared and a squared plus b squared. So c is 5, a is 3 and b is 4. Sub these numbers in separately. So by doing this we can see that c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared. Therefore we can say this triangle is right angled. So in summary, we know the formula is c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared. And we know if the converse is basically a way of proving this. If the sum of the longest sides equal to the sum of the shortest sides. Pythagoras' theorem is key in many scientific areas. Thank you.